Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an account with Fidelity Bank. If you are looking to start managing your finances effectively, then you are in the right place. We will walk you through the steps needed to set up your account with ease. To begin, visit the official Fidelity Bank website. Once on the home page, look for the option that says Open an Account or similar wording. Click on this option to see the different types of accounts available. Choose the one that best suits your needs, whether it be a savings account, checking account, or another type. After selecting your account type, you will need to fill out an online application. This form will require you to provide personal information such as your name, address, phone number, and social security number. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy before proceeding. Once you have completed the form, submit your application. Finally, you may need to verify your identity. This step may involve uploading identification documents or visiting a local branch. Follow any instructions given to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Once your account is approved, you will receive confirmation, and you can start enjoying the benefits of being a Fidelity Bank customer. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.